Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for June and it is Glossybox and it's really light. It's super light this month. So if you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I've got in this June box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. The box costs £13.25 a month and that includes shipping. They currently have a few deals on where if you were to subscribe for the June box, you can subscribe for £10 and you can choose a freebie. Now the most expensive freebie is a Rodial Venom cleanser, which is worth £125. So if you're interested in this offer for yourself, I'll pop all the details down below in the description, as well as a list of all the other freebies that you can choose and links to limited edition beauty boxes they have running and any other offers. Because it's Jubilee weekend, there could be some discounts off their limited edition. So you'll find all that down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So if you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. And inside you'll find 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related: hair care, skincare, makeup, nail care, perfumes, and some freebies as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside. Get a little card and there's a QR code on there, so we scan that for more information. I'm giving you a sneak peek, but you can't really see anything much. The smell is gorgeous, is it this? Oh yeah, that's lovely. I'll talk about that first, but let's see what the booklet says. The theme is Summer Rendezvous. They've got a big section on how to look after your nails and things. Oh, my nails are awful. I'm missing loads off my fingers, so I won't be doing close-ups. I don't want you seeing my awful nails. I've been using a lot of bleach and tidying up, and they've just been pinging and the skin around them are really dry. I'm having them done in a few days' time, so I can't wait. So the sneak peek for July is a gorgeous design box, and in every single box we will receive a gel effect polish from Nails Inc in shade Mayfair Square, which is a really gorgeous sort of baby dusky pink. Hopefully you can see this. So we'll receive that in the box, but look at the box design. Isn't that beautiful? So first up we've got this little soap. This is like a little sample size of a Green Frog Botanic Soap Lemongrass, using 100% vegetable fats, 90% natural ingredients, and there's 15 grams there. Yeah, this smells absolutely beautiful. It's only a little one, see? But handy to try, see if you like it, or to take away for a night with you or something. This retails for £2.95. This gentle soap gives you a super refreshing lemongrass clean. The result, it'll leave your skin refreshed and supple. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. It does smell lovely. Next, we've got a product by L'Occitane, and this is a dry skin hand cream, and we got 30 mils there. I've tried this a few times. I'm not sure in a glossy box or not, but yeah, I have tried it a few times in different boxes or advent calendars. I'm getting them all muddled up now, but it's a gorgeous hand cream. It is really lovely. It's really thick. It leaves your hands feeling soft. L'Occitane hand creams in general are just stunning. They are really beautiful. This is a deluxe mini and it is worth £8. It says, made with natural origin ingredients, this hand cream is enriched with 20% organic shea butter as well as argan and coconut oil. Super smoothing. The balm penetrates quickly to protect, nourish and moisturize hands, and this perfect travel size essential is ideal for looking after your hand health on the go. It's got a hand cream. Next we've got a Ciati London. This is a bamboo bronzer. I think it's in shade Palm Island. I'll get that out now, but I'll just read it to you. This is deluxe mini. It's worth £8. The full size retails for £24. Get sun-kissed skin with a serious staying power. Infused with bamboo extract and vitamin E, this bamboo bronzer has been formulated with ultra-fine pigments, a weightless, natural-looking second skin finish without any talc. Looks like there. Quite a fair bronzer. Yeah, so great for paler skins. And has it got a bit of a shimmer to it as well? No, has it? No, it hasn't. Yeah, great for paler skins, not really suitable for darker skins, I wouldn't say anyway, but I don't know, I'll see. It doesn't mention that we get different shades, but let me know if you do get a different shade to Palm Island. Next, we got a product by Dr. Eve Ruth. This is a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid night moisturizer. It's a limited edition and there are 60 mils here. And I'm sure this product is exactly the same one I received a couple of months ago in a different beauty box, which happens often because I do unbox quite a few boxes on my YouTube channel, but I'm sure it's a night moisturizer. I've got it ready to use, so I haven't tried it yet, and I believe this is quite pricey. Let me have a read. £59.99. In a travel-friendly tube, this limited edition moisturiser contains one of the best forms of vitamin C. This, combined with hydration-boosting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, argan oil and rose oil, aims to brighten uneven skin tone and replump tired, dehydrated-looking skin. Try not to blend it on to the bronzer. Yeah, I'm sure it's the same one. I'm sure because it has a citrusy smell to it. Yeah, it smells lovely. So I might have two now. I need to try it, don't I? I need to try it. And then lastly, we've got a mask by Star Skin VIP, the Gold Eye Mask. Revitalising Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. There's just one pair in there for you to use. And it's got instructions on the back. It shows you what they look like. These eye masks retail for £6. Experience the ultimate VIP treatment with these luxury gold eye masks. Smooth and puffy eyes and wrinkles with an impressive combination of potent ingredients. Expect dramatic results in just 15 minutes. Your under eyes will look reborn. So there's that. But I have some information to share with you. New subscribers will receive this mask. So you'll receive everything else I've shown you and this mask. Then it says current subscribers will either receive a Philosophy Purity Cleanser, which is £6, or a Velour Oxygen Glow Cream, which is £10. So those are all the products inside this month's beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Green Frog Botanic Soap in lemongrass. We've got a Dr. Eve Ruth, an overnight facial moisturiser. We've got a L'Occitane Dry Hand Cream. We've got a Ciate Bamboo Bronzer. And lastly, we've got a Star Skin eye mask. So looking at the products, the reason why this box is super light is because the sizes are quite small this month. Yes, we have got a product that is worth £60. So that is probably why if you've got one really expensive product in the box, then the rest of the items generally are going to be samples or minis, etc. So overall the value is definitely there, but we tend to see a lot of the same brands a lot of the time in these boxes. But saying that, Dr. Eve Ruth I don't think we've seen in a glossy box before, and Green Frog Botanics I don't think we have, but the other three we have, the brands at least anyway. So yeah, for £13.50 you've got a bargain box here full of beauty treats. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. Have you received your box yet? If not, are you really excited? Or are you watching this wondering whether you should subscribe or not? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, not for me this month? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.